Okay, so what's happening now is they're doing a racing game with these little wind-up plastic babies, which is one of the more creative use of cheap toys I have ever seen in a church youth program. Our team member Nathan there is on the end, and it seems like he's actually doing a pretty good job. See, if you were here in Cambodia with Steps of Justice, you could be here right now witnessing the wind-up baby races. You know, there's oh, Nathan won! Nathan won! Oh my goodness! You know, there's still space for the August trip, so you should go online, www.stepsofjustice.org, sign up for the August trip, and then you too can experience the wind-up baby races.